To Kill a Mockingbird is set in the 1930s in the racially segregated town of Macomb, Alabama. It follows young Scout Finch, her older brother Ian, and their father, Atticus Finch, a principled lawyer. The story unfolds through Scout's eyes as she comes of age and witnesses her father defend Tom Robinson, a black man falsely accused of raping a white woman. Despite overwhelming evidence proving Tom's innocence, the jury convicts him, highlighting the deep-rooted racism in their community. Meanwhile, Scout and Ian learn life lessons about morality, compassion, and justice, especially through mysterious neighbor Boo Radley, who ultimately saves them from danger. In the end, they realize that true courage is standing up for what's right, even when you know you'll lose. Harper Lee's novel is a powerful reflection on innocence, prejudice, and the loss of childhood ideals in a flawed world.